just wanted to like upload something I've been meaning to for a few days. Things are going as they're going. I'm grateful in every day. I'm not feeling too well today though. Mostly my tightness right here. It's difficult to breathe. I'm coughing a lot. Hopefully it's not fucking pneumonia or something. Last night I started to feel a little sick. Just really worn down. Like I had no energy. I felt that way before. Back in college, it was bronchitis back then. I hope that's not what it is again. I know it sticks with you, and it just keeps coming back. It just keeps coming back, and it's just not. I just can't have that right now. It's like 5 days before Christmas. I don't know. Yesterday I felt really good, emotionally. It was after like a week of just spiraling. I really was missing my mother, and it just, I don't know, I felt like I processed some things. I thought I was on the upswing, and like always, God just sends in that sucker punch. I can't, I say that negative, but I can't have. You just have to stay positive. That's all you can do. You'll be grateful. I woke up today, and you can't be more grateful for that. Someone gave me a couple bucks today. It's wonderful. I'm sad.